Hello everyone. If we just ended our horizontal alignment, it's nothing to think about it more and go by to our vertical alignment, which is our second alignment, which we need to complete our course. So, how we do it? To do vertical alignment, we must click our horizontal alignment, the violet line, and after clicking it, we should see some additional informations. And uh, now we must click the surface profile option, and after clicking it, a new box opened, and we must click the surfaces, our surface which we designed before, add to our profile. Also, we can see how long our distance could be uh, designed on our profile. Of course, we want all our railway lines, so we choose from start till the end. After this, we click the Draw in Profile view, and we can choose some options in other new box which appears. Uh, I suggest to change the name, maybe vertical alignment. Okay, should be okay. I changed the view style to railway without grid. Next, here I don't change anything. Profile view. Also, profile display options, nothing. And data bands, I change it here for railway with fonts, Polish names also in our software. I don't know why. Maybe it's from the system language on my Windows. But here I choose the railway with the cants options. Okay, I can also next option is set the cut and fill areas, but now I don't do this. Okay, after this, I create profile view options and I create them above my horizontal align. The software, the software thinks why, and from just a moment we can see our terrain profile. And first glance of it tells us that we must change the scale. Maybe the longitudinal scale is okay because can be it can be can be it can be okay. I just think too much, but the vertical scale is not good. So we must to click on uh, our profile and click the profile view properties. Click it. Also, not here. Profile view properties and edit profile view style in graph. Uh, the graph section, we choose the vertical scale and set maybe I don't know 1 to 50 can be okay. So click apply and then click OK. I'll just look here. Does anything more I should? Okay, it's everything. Okay, it's okay. Click it. And after thinking for a while, our profile terrain is quite good. I think this scale is appropriate. So now we must create the profile. The profile is create by clicking this button and creating the surface profile. So click it, and here we can uh, add also. Sorry. sorry. Cancel. We'll just do geometry editor. What is going on? Profile. Create surface map with a ocean tool. Okay, it took a while, but I finally see what was wrong. Not this option, but the second one options, and we must choose only the profile. So after clicking our grid, we can choose our vertical alignment, maybe the vertical only rail. Okay, let it set some styles. It's okay. Change here the profile line set for rails, also for poly, and now the profile is created, and we can choose the options to create to design our profile. Here I suggest to use this option, draw only tangents, and drawing tangents is basically clicking the places for our vertical alignment. I just click some points, and these points should be designed in the assumptions which I show you in our classes, and the whole profile, the vertical alignment should be as long as our railway line. And after clicking it, and the whole profile is created, and also the the gradient are made. And after this, you can adjust some places as well as in the horizontal alignment to move the vertices of profile and move it to better fit in our terrain profile. And after clicking, after taking also a while, the values of the length of the of the of the current gradients and values of the length of our straight lines with typical gradient also moved. So you can adjust to fit better in our railway profile, in our ground profile. Now, we must remember that we have two main assumptions. First of them are the maximum maximum gradient, and this value should be not um, not be less than 35 millimeters per meter. And the second assumption is connected with the vertical curves, and the instructions how to calculate the vertical curves was shown at last classes. So I suggest here to just to look back after it and back to our assumptions. Here we must design it. So we must first of all draw the vertical alignment, the straight lines, and after this think about the vertical curves. The routes where the vertical curves must be designed is the places where the two straight lines, the gradient, not even the gradient, but the difference from two nearest gradients are below 1 promille, in some events 2 promille. So you must see how the difference between these two gradients is big, and decide to create the vertical curves in these vertices in these points. Basically, I will show you how to do it, and designing the vertical curves is connected with clicking this option and creating the free vertical curve parabola. So after clicking these options, our cursor change into the square, and with this cursor we first click one straight line and the second which is connected in this point where we want to design the vertical curve. So click the second one, and now we must just choose which option we want. I want the radius value to input, and after clicking the R, we just input our value. Let's say it will be 10,000 meters, so I tap this value and press enter. And after pressing the enter, my vertical profile is so I see here my vertical profile is with my vertical curve inside it in this section. And what I want from you is to remember how to design the vertical curves and look after it and decide that you want or you must create it in your own vertical profile. Okay, you can also move the vertex, as I said, and maybe then decide if there are any needs to create such curves. Okay, so basically after this we have the designed vertical profile, and we must look here and just adjust few views. Okay, first of all we must click here, sorry, not here, to adjust. Maybe close this window once again. So click here and edit profile view style. Profile view properties. Okay, where is it? Okay, not here. Here. Okay. We go to the bands options, and to fit our view vertical alignment, first of all, I suggest you to delete that count data because it isn't necessary. And after this, I suggest you to go to these options of profile. This information is the point which our vertical alignment will be attached, will be creating of. So we must, in the profile one option, change it to our vertical alignment, which we just created. And after this, as you change everything with the profile one, I just move it this box here. Our profile should be much better. So click apply. Oh, as you may see, it looks very clean right now. You can see the whole information which I need for you. It's, I don't know why I felt very big part of information how to change it, but basically these names which are in Poland can be later changed. I will show you how to do it, but now you must can just let it just like this, or try to find the option how to change it into English, into your own language. What is important, we have uh, the gradient, the length of the parts with the constant gradient. We have the information about the vertical parts, and basically we have the whole information which we need to our vertical alignment. And what we might also repair, maybe here one more thing. No, I think it looks quite good. So yes, I think it looks quite good. You can move, edit some things, and you can fit better to your railway line. So right here, I think you have got quite good vertical alignment, and some additions we will make in the end of our videos. But now I certainly can say that if you have something like this, you can say that you also have the vertical alignment, which I want to do for our railway classes. So by the time I end this video, and we will be talking with a moment how to create the cross section. So let's stop here.